Hello guys, today I'm doing a project that will improve the cleanliness awareness among the Malaysians. I built a simple dust detector and heat detector in a laptop. When the dust increases in the laptop, it will cover up the LDR and heat up the laptop. So the LM35 will heat up and increase the temperature, so it will indicate that the user need to clean up their laptops, and the display will be displayed on the LCD. So the component is LCD, potentiometer, LDR, LM35, the LED, batteries, and the Arduino Uno. So how this project works: when there is no dust in the laptop, the LDR will not have blockage on top of it, so the laptop will not heat up, and the LCD will display that your laptop is clean. And when the dust is too much in the laptop, it will block the LDR, so its reading will indicate low reading, and heat up the laptop, so the LM35 will increase in reading. So the LED will light up, that will warn the user that he needs to clean their laptop. The LCD will also display that the user needs to clean their laptop. So that's the temperature increasing. The LCD will indicate to give warning that the user needs to clean their laptop. The LED also will light up. That's all from me. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video.